Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm happy to announce the winners of the SpeedyBee giveaway that I announced about a month ago. The prizes are the SpeedyBee flight controller, the TX500 VTX, the VTX DVR and the USB Bluetooth adapter. First I'm going to pick the winner of the SpeedyBee flight controller, and as always I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker tool in order to select the winners. The total amount of unique commenters is 346, and without further ado, let's select the winner. So the winner of the SpeedyBee flight controller is Miko Valta, who commented "Grats for steady growth of the channel." So thank you, Miko. And I'm just going to make sure that Miko is my subscriber. And there you go. I'm next to Albert Kim. So congratulations, Miko, for winning the SpeedyBee flight controller. Now I'm going to select the winner of the TX500 VTX. The winner is Brian Fanning, who commented "Awesome giveaway." So let's make sure Brian is my subscriber. And there you go, Brian is my subscriber. So congratulations, Brian, for winning the SpeedyBee TX500. Now it's time to select the winner of the VTX DVR. And the winner of the VTX DVR is Rainmode Millwood, who commented "Great giveaway." So I'm going to make sure he's my subscriber. And there you go. So congratulations, Raymond, for winning the SpeedyBee VTX DVR. And last but not least, now I'm going to select the winner of the USB Bluetooth adapter, which is one of my favorite SpeedyBee products. And in case you don't have one and you have an iOS device, I highly recommend to check it out. So the last winner of the SpeedyBee Bluetooth adapter is SpeedyFPV, who commented "Maybe this time." So yes, maybe this time if you're my subscriber. And unfortunately, you're not my subscriber, so I'm sorry, but as you can see, I'm not in your subscription list. So not this time, and I'm going to select another winner. So maybe now the winner is M. High, who commented "Great giveaway, thanks." Again, I'm going to verify that M. High is my subscriber. And as you can see, I'm on the subscription list. So congratulations, M. High, for winning the SpeedyBee Bluetooth adapter. The products are going to be sent directly from SpeedyBee, so in case you want any of these products, just send me an email. I'm going to verify you are the winner, and then I'm going to take care of the rest. I would like to thank SpeedyBee for sponsoring this giveaway, and of course, all of my subscribers for your continued support. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.